I'm going to walk you through the process of purchasing the Glamour Professional Retouch Panel and the download and installation process. Very simple. So heading over here, as you can see where it says Glamour Panel and it says buy now, download now. What that means is once you make a purchase, you come back here. So I'm not logged in and I'm going to click on this and it's asking me to be logged in. Now it's basically asking you to sign up. It's basically taking you through the process. So let's go back. So let's sign in with my Gmail. Okay. And just close this out. Now I'm signed in. Now for you, it will take you automatically here. You know, I am I'm one of the co-founders, so it won't take me all the way there, but it will take you here to where you go and buy now. You go through the process, you buy it, and you fill it out, and you make sure you log into the website. Once that is all done, you then head back over to where it says Glamour Panel. And now once you click on this buy now, download, we now want to a different page, which you couldn't get to the first time. And now we want to download that. So let's download this file. And it works for Mac and Windows. Let's go to the file. Okay. Let's put that file in a file in here because I have many files, as you can see. And just like that. Okay. So now we want to extract this file. So I'm going to right click on Windows and extract here. And basically this is a Photoshop extension panel. Now, because I have a particular software on my computer, it may ask you to download this file right here. So this file is the ZXP installer. I highly recommend this over the installer that comes with Adobe stuff. And basically download the file which is right for you for Windows or Mac. So in my case, if we try to use the regular Adobe extension manager, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So I already have the ZXP installer installed. I'm just going to double click and that's this same thing right here. So I just download the one for Windows. I'm going to double click and run it. Now this file right here with the file that we extract, this is the file, the COM Glamour Panel V100. This is the only file you want to drag and drop in there, or you can double click inside of here and you can go and locate the file. And I have so many files. Okay, so we can go and locate the files and click like that. Okay. And it's going to ask you and you're going to verify yes. Make sure your Adobe applications are closed. If that way doesn't work, the second way where I show you, you always can go the first way and just drag it in there. Simple as that. Okay. Yes. Very easy. Now let's go. It has been installed. Let's go to a photo and I had to black out that screen for a reason because of the rules that YouTube have. But if you remember the Glamour Retouching Studios, you would understand. Okay. So let that load up. Also, if you would like to see the tutorial on how to create this fantasy glamour look, it is also available at the Glamour Retouching Studios. So we go right here to Windows and Extension Legacy. As you can see, I have a lot of panels, and right here we have the Glamour Professional Retouch Panel 1.0. There are other sites out there claiming to give you this panel for free. Be very mindful of them, because those are viruses that are monitoring your computer. They are not a part of the Glamour panel or the Glamour Retouching Studios, and we are not responsible if you go elsewhere to download the panel and you find yourself, maybe getting hacked by a virus or anything like that. So keep that in mind, that this panel is copyright under my name, Nello Johnson. I'm one of the co-founders of the Glamour Retouching Studios. So this is also copyright under the Glamour Retouching Studios. You can only purchase this panel on my photography website or on the Glamour Retouching Studios website.